left hand.
Is
5, 4, 3, 2,
is the
1.
right hand in reverse.
Yeah,
Because it's sewed on backwards.
that's right. Okay. Now, I taught you all a magic number. What was it?
343.
343. Does that work for you all?
Yes.
Do you get the whole point of the 343?
Your thumb unders.
When I come to the 3, I put my thumb under. When I come to the 4, I put my thumb under. When I come to the 3, I put my thumb under. Then I finish the scale. When I get to the 1, I cross with the 3. When I get to the 1, I cross with the 4. When I get to the 1, I cross with the 3. It's backwards in the left hand. When I get to the 1, I cross with the 3. When I get to the 1, I cross with the 4. When I get to a 1, I cross with the 3. Finish the scale. Coming down, 3, put your thumb under. 4, put your thumb under. 3, put your thumb under. Finish the scale. That helps some people, but not all, I guess. I don't know, maybe. Some students really like to look at it in groups. A group of 3, a group of 4, a group of 3, a group of 5. A group of 5, a group of 3, a group of 4, a group of 3. Notice that those groupings never match up. It's not symmetrical. So one way I like to practice scales is by blocking in those groups. So I'll smash my group of 3. I'll smash my group of 4. I'll smash my group of 3. And I'll smash my group of 5. Coming down, I smash my group of 5. Smash my group of 3. Smash my group of 4. Smash my group of 3. In the left hand, I'll smash my group of 5 going up. Smash my group of 3. Smash my group of 4. Smash my group of 3. Coming down, smash my group of 3. Smash my group of 4. Smash my group of 3. Smash my group of 5. That may or may not help you, but you could give it a try. We also talked about the little finger patterns. What were they?
1, 3s. Always come together.
Always come together.
Ones meet at the octave.
Ones come together at the octave. Don't you ever dare think about playing a pinky there. Good. What else?
Ones and twos switch.
Ones and twos exchange. If you're playing a 3 in one hand and something else in another hand, it's wrong. 3s always come together. Who's playing 2 octave scales hands alone? That should be everybody in here. All right, you want to try putting the hands together? I got my left hand pinky on C, my right hand thumb on middle C. Remember, I always call out your left hand finger number first. 5 and 1, 4 and 2, 3s. Thumb under the right, 2, 1. Exchange it, 1, 2. 3s. 2, 4. Thumbs at the octave. 4, 2. 3s. Thumb under the right, 2, 1. Exchange it, 1, 2. 3s. 2, 4. 1, 5. Coming down, 2, 4. 3s. Thumb under in the left, 1, 2. Exchange it, 2, 1. threes. 4-2. Thumbs at the octave. 2-4. Threes. Thumb under in the left. 1-2. Exchange it. 2-1. Threes. 4-2. 5-1. How'd we do?